Samsung is bringing 3 features to the Galaxy S26 Ultra that will beat even the iPhone. But at the same time, it is omitting a major feature, without which many people might not want to buy the S26 Ultra. And the biggest surprise? The new AI system, which will give results in seconds, and the obstacle of file sharing with the iPhone is also going to end. So before you decide to buy the Galaxy S26 Ultra, you need to watch this video till the end, because some upgrades are insane and some decisions are seriously disappointing. With just 3 weeks to go until the official announcement of the Galaxy S26 series, we have a lot of exciting and important things to talk about that will influence your decision to buy the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Some of it is really good news, and some of it is not so good news. We're going to talk about everything, but first, let's take a look at Samsung's official trailers confirming 3 of the biggest changes or new features coming with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. So the first trailer is showcasing the zooming capabilities of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is going to be Samsung's most improved camera zoom sensor ever, with now even larger aperture compared to the S25 Ultra, coming at f2.8. This should get us more detail in our zoom images, as well as better performance in low light, which is what this second trailer is showcasing. According to Ice Universe, we already know that the video performance, not just with the main sensor, but also with the zoom sensor, is getting improved noticeably on the S26 Ultra, which is what's being highlighted in this trailer. Same thing with the third teaser trailer, which is mentioned as Glow, again flexing the new low-light camera improvements on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. So far, Samsung's official Galaxy S26 Ultra teasers have confirmed 3 big features, including the AI privacy display, which is going to be absolutely mind-blowing, improved video performance, especially in low-light situation, and improved zooming capabilities. And while Galaxy S26 Ultra hasn't changed a lot when it comes to physical look is concerned, it looks almost as thin as the S Pen itself, which is pretty amazing. Now we have some sad news. Apparently, Samsung is going to miss on this major, much-needed feature, which I personally think Samsung should have brought with their S26 lineup in 2026. This is something that we even see on the Google Pixel devices. But no, it's confirmed that it's not coming to the S26 lineup, at least this year. Alrighty, so what is that feature? Well, it is MagSafe. Yes, Galaxy S26 series will not be having magnetic wireless charging capabilities by default on the back of the device. If you want to add this capability, you need a MagSafe compatible case. This is something that we have on iPhones for quite some time, and we even have it on Google Pixel devices. It really would have been nice to have this feature natively, because not everyone has access to a MagSafe case. Plus, it opens the door for a lot of creative accessories. Again, this is something that we're not going to see natively on the S26 lineup. Also, not all countries will get the same pricing for the Galaxy S26 series as expected. So, in some countries, the pricing for the Galaxy S26 series could be a little higher compared to the last generation. Again, take this info with a grain of salt, because a lot of things can change last minute. Now onto some good news. For those who like to use AI features, but they're a bit annoyed because sometimes AI features take way too long to process, well, now with the Galaxy S26 series, apparently you'll be able to use generative AI and get results within a matter of seconds. That is all thanks to the new AI system called Edge Fusion. With this technology, generative AI can give you results within a matter of seconds, which means it will be a significant improvement over the S25 series when it comes to getting your AI results. This is all thanks to the latest chips, Exynos 2600 and Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy. Again, we'll see if that is true in real life or not. It's definitely exciting to see the Exynos versus Qualcomm war coming back, so we'll be doing our testing on the channel, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. And last but not the least, this is a big one. One of the biggest barriers between Samsung devices and iPhones is about to get demolished, because Google is officially expanding Quick Share capability with Apple's AirDrop to non-Pixel Android devices, which means Galaxy phones and tablets, especially the S25 series along with the upcoming S26 series, will be one of the first ones to get this AirDrop capability. So there we go. That's all the latest news and scoops regarding the Galaxy S26 series. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later.